Take everything we got, give it an honest shot, turning it on and off, we've been sliding, riding the highest dream, keeping the fire real. I call for you. Hold your gun, cut the wire, aim for fun, with a light to fire. I've been flying up the ceiling, taken by this feeling. Maybe we're invincible at last, fueling every engine, power is descending. Maybe we're invincible. I've been flying off the ceiling, and maybe we're invincible.
Hey, you're kind of cute. You know what day it is? It's Wednesday.
And it's Disney Day.
And it's Disney Day.
It's Wednesday. It just seems weird that it's a Wednesday.
It is Wednesday.
It kind of seems like it's a Sunday all over again.
But it's July 1st.
It is July 1st.
Happy July.
Yeah.
Half the year is gone.
Yep.
Ooh, wow, we look good, don't we?
Mm-hmm.
We are ready to go. We got all stuff packed up. I was going to say shizzle. It's all packed up. And we're ready to go. No, I haven't been drinking yet, but I'm about to start. No, I got to drive, so I'm not.
It's 8:40. It's 7:45.
Yeah, but that's like noon in England.
Yeah, almost 1.
Yeah, see? Ha!
Yeah, so we're getting our stuff
I
packed
can
up,
math.
ready to go,
There's a suitcase right here.
so we can get in the car and go.
Yep, we're gonna do that too.
And drive.
It's only about 4 hours though.
Have you seen any big boats pass by?
I
this morning?
did.
Did you?
Yes, I saw 2.
Oh.
Yep. So
I think the boats are kind of cool when you see the boats.
yeah,
go
they're
by.
big. One of them was like a oil or petroleum one because it didn't have any containers on
Okay.
it, but it was like lots of pipes and stuff.
Mm.
Yeah. All right, we're gonna finish getting this stuff together so we can get out of here and get on the road and get to Disney.
Let's go.
Lights. Turn right onto East Bay Street.
Yes, you heard her.
Okay, here we go.
Big hole.
Say bye, Savannah.
Bye, Savannah.
Say bye, Savannah.
Bye, Savannah.
This is our view. Leaving Savannah.
Yay, we're back
Yay,
in Florida.
Woohoo! So we just passed the Florida state line, right?
Yeah.
And apparently there's some kind of COVID checkpoint up here. I don't know what that involves, but we're fixing to find
We're
out.
about to find out.
So when we were coming the other way up to Georgia, we saw that traffic was backed up pretty far. So I don't know what they're gonna do, or if they're just gonna ask questions or what, but
We'll find out.
we'll find out and we'll let you know. So they're letting the trucks through, but the cars are in this lane. Yeah. I mean, it's moving okay.
Yeah, they're probably just pulling out people from New Jersey, New York.
Maybe if you have New Jersey or New York or what's the other one?
Connecticut.
Connecticut plates. They might be asking them some questions, but it's not like stopped as bad as it was when we were coming up the other way. So that's okay. Okay, this is kind of weird. They've like taken us all off of the highway. And they're gonna give us the Spanish Inquisition, apparently.
We're gonna get the Inquisition. Probably have to show your driver's
Might have to show your driver's license, yeah.
from.
Prove where you're from, son.
I'm from Colorado. We ain't got no COVID. Howdy.
Howdy. How's your drive been so far?
So far, it's been uneventful.
Yeah, up to now.
Very nice.
Hopefully it's gonna stay uneventful.
Yeah, pretty sure it will.
I don't see why it wouldn't. By the way, here's Em and John's song.
Welcome.
Okay, that was pretty easy. So they had just, some people asking what state we're traveling from. We just told them we're from Colorado. And
they said,
they're
bye.
like, bye, have a nice day. So, but they did have over on another side, I didn't film it, but they had like a little tent set up where I guess they were pulling people from certain states or something over, and it looked like they were testing people over there.
Wow.
Yeah, because they had a few cars over there underneath the tent. And maybe they were doing like rapid tests or something. They had like police officers in a big old police like van and stuff over there. So they're serious about, you know, trying to
Keep the nastiness out.
keep the nastiness out. So, you know, I'm cool with that.
I feel good about being in Florida.
Yeah, I do too. I mean, so many people have been saying, oh my gosh, Florida is so bad right now. But, you know, they're really trying to do everything they can.
And they're doing a good job.
Yeah. So that was easy. Daytona Beach.
It's like deja vu. We've been here before.
We've done that before.
Yes.
So we're, what'd you say? About
an hour away.
About an hour away?
From Wilderness Lodge, yes.
Yoo-hoo! How you doing back there, Kaya? Good. She's good. She's like all...
She's all bundled up.
All bundled up.
And bunched.
I don't know how she could possibly be cold. Are you cold?
She's acclimating to the hot weather.
No, I'm cold. She's cold.
It's because she ain't got no fat. She's a skinny little bean. Hey, Volcano Bay.
Look, there's Volcano Bay. Right there.
Bye, Volcano
It's a
Bay.
very large,
Lots of
watery volcano.
Yay! Disney World!
Okay, there's no traffic going in.
8 miles. Take the exit towards Magic Kingdom and Magic Kingdom Resorts.
There's never not this much traffic. It's kind of weird, isn't it? We are the only people on this road that we can see. Okay, there's a car way up ahead of us.
Lane.
We're the only people on this road. Yeah, this is the flyover one, the new one, right? It's kind of weird, like not seeing
There's a car.
the Disney buses. There's a car.
There's a car.
There's a car.
Right lane to take the exit towards Magic Kingdom and Magic Kingdom Resorts.
I think it's amazing. It's awesome.
I think it's cool. Yeah, it's actually like cool weird,
It's
not
like we're the king and queen of Disney.
yeah, like wow.
Wow, wow, wow.
Usually there's all kinds of traffic and buses
Take
and
the exit.
a couple more cars.
There's nobody waiting to get in.
No. Look at that.
Keep left.
Nobody at the Magic Kingdom gate.
Nobody's waiting to get to the magic
There's all the buses. They're all parked over there.
Yeah, but there's got to be buses
In
right
half a
into
mile,
Disney Springs.
turn
Yeah.
right onto Timberline Drive.
Not very many.
100 feet. Destination is on your left. Disney's Wilderness Lodge.
Where?
Yay! Wilderness Lodge.
Wilderness Lodge.
Wow.
Hey, there's cars in the parking lot. Look, there's a bus.
Oh, hi, bud. Just sitting there. Just sitting there waiting. So
Hi.
Kai's being controversial.
I'm very controversial. She likes to stir up poop.
We're gonna tell him the story.
Here's the story.
Got checked into Wilderness Lodge and they gave us a room that we didn't love.
No, it had these little bitty
Like
tiny
two tiny little balconies that you
where
sat
could,
in the
like,
chair and your
it
knees
was
were
like
on the
this.
wall.
Oh my god, I'm on the balcony. How you like your view? Anyway.
So we went back to the desk and they were able to move us, which is much nicer.
Yeah, we're on the bottom floor though, but it's cool. So we have a porch, not a balcony.
Yeah.
Which is alright. I like that.
I do too. Perfectly fine with it.
So we don't have to get on the elevators.
Yeah, we're gonna show you around. Okay.
She's gonna show you around. I'm gonna sit on my butt.
I'm gonna show you around. So, this is a 1-bedroom villa at Copper Creek, in case you didn't know. This is the second time we've stayed in a 1-bedroom villa at Copper Creek, but the first time we weren't vlogging yet. So, I'm gonna give you a little tour. So, this is ours. You walk in the door, and immediately to the right, you have a closet with a laundry basket, ironing board, iron, big safe. It's a really, really big safe. And extra pillows and blankets and hangers. So that's a very big closet with double doors. And then you turn directly around and there's the laundry. So washer, dryer, and I believe, yeah, you can close this off if you want to, if you don't want to look at your washer and dryer. And then we're gonna go this way, so you have a little storage area here with cubbies and hooks and drawers. And then this is the bathroom. Let's turn some lights on. So single sink with some drawers and storage underneath. And then nice big mirror with the shelf. And then shower. Nice big shower area. It's pretty big. With your Disney stuff. There's your Disney stuff. And then straight through this way, you can, there's a door. You can close that off. And there's another sink with drawers. So you have 2 sink areas, one here and one here, and then this great big giant massive tub. And I think it's bubbles. You can see the little holes in the bottom. We may have to try the tub. So hooks on the wall, and then you can close this off too. There's me. Hi. Okay. Yeah, you can close that off too. So that's the bathroom. It's kind of an L shape. Bathroom. And then this leads into the master bedroom. It does have its own door, which is nice. Big full-length mirror. And then here's a little desk area with a stool and a mirror, and then king-size bed, and then that is the other side of where the tub is, right here. So we've got little tables on each side with plenty of plugs and USB ports, or light above the bed. And then these guys, here we go. These turn on too, the little lamps. King size bed, plenty of storage. So 1, 2, 3, 6 drawers, big giant TV, and another wardrobe here. So plenty of storage in this place. That's kind of the view you get out from here. And then this is our little patio area. I'll take you out there later, but we're on the ground floor. And that's like a double balcony. All right, so you go back out the bedroom. That's the front door. So this is the kitchen area. So lots and lots of storage, toaster, oven mitts, ice bucket, drawers with knives and spatulas. If you really feel like cooking, we brought our own straws because Bob hates the paper straws. And down here, there's pots and pans, like that. And still have a coffee pot, silverware, and that's the trash, and bakeware, stuff like that up there. So microwave, full-size oven, full-size fridge. Got some stuff in the fridge and freezer. Nothing up there. And then sink. This just keeps going on and on. Dishes. More glasses, wine glasses, juice glasses. Enhanced cleaning. So this kind of tells you what they've been doing for the cleaning. There you go. More cleaning. So dishwasher. And then this is the other area. More storage. Table that seats 6, looks like. Kaya. That bed where Kaya's sitting, that pulls out into a sofa bed. And then this looks like it's an adjoining room. So it's probably like a 2-bedroom. So that probably goes into a studio right there. And then this is the other half of the porch that looks out that way. There's a little Mickey on the table right there. Okay, so there you have it. Lots and lots and lots and lots of storage and space. So we're gonna get settled in. Back in the car. We're gonna go to Publix to get some stuff. Let's see if we can find a liquor store. Because that's important.
It's very important.
Yeah. It's gonna rain. There's the golf course.
miles, turn right onto Rinns Road.
There's turkeys on the golf course.
Are there?
Yeah.
Oh yeah, I see them. It's like a decent little storm coming in, huh?
Mm-hmm.
There's the Polynesian High.
It's like, when have you been to Florida and not rain on you? I think
A couple of times we've been here and it hasn't rained.
One time, I think.
Maybe once, maybe twice.
In summer?
No, not in the summer. It usually always rains in the summer. It is a little bit weird not seeing the monorail, isn't it?
Yes.
But next week. It'll be going next week. Don't ever go anywhere in Florida without your umbrella. Right?
Right. We got reminded of that, and I usually don't ever.
It is raining some cats and dogs right now.
Mm-hmm.
But that's okay. It's Florida. Right?
Yes.
We got all of our stuff. Went to the liquor store. There's a liquor store right next to it's a Publix liquor store, in case you were wondering. I guess they just can't sell like vodka and hard alcohol in the grocery store. It's only beer and wine. So, liquor store right next to the Publix. Only separate. Wow. Okay, it is deserted.
I feel like I'm gonna rob a bank. We are room better.
Can you?
And that gecko was my friend. She is.
Yay! I did. I had Huckleberry Ranch.
Banana cabana. This is probably going to be the most relaxing trip I've had in 5 years. It's Kelly. We've got her on a leash.
Disney Springs! Hi!
I did say about it.
It's Leviosa, not Leviosa.
Ignore the child.
What's in the fancy box?